Hello guys, welcome to another new video of the Amazing Facts Island channel. Today we are here to predict the 2022 World Cup that is happening in Qatar. We are gonna do it by the help of our cute shy girl Sara. This match is between Argentina and Mexico and is going to happen in the 26th of November. Many stars like Messi and Martinez are going to shine in this soccer match. Argentina and Mexico are in the Group C. Who else is in this group? The two countries, Saudi Arabia and Poland, are in this group, so Mexico and Argentina have a great chance to win. Argentina and Mexico had played together 5 times before, and the Argentina won 4 times and they had 1 draw. Probability of winning for Argentina is 64%. And for Mexico is just 13%, and the probability of being draw is just 23%. And this match is going to happen in Lusail Stadium. Hi Sarah, what are you doing today? Are you ready for this? Let's go. At the right we have Mexico and at the left we have Argentina. Oh, she's not interested. She doesn't care about this. Come on girl, come on. Yes, do something. A little at the right, a little at the left. A little there, a little over there. Come on, peek. She's so confused. She doesn't know what to do. Come on, it's Argentina. Come on at the left. Come on, girl. Oh, look what's happening. Her boyfriend came over to visit. He's wondering what we are doing to his girlfriend. Okay, girl, come on. Yes, Argentina, of course. Yes, Argentina.